Get ready, tech enthusiasts. The pace of innovation is absolutely blistering, and staying ahead of the curve means you need the absolute latest, unfiltered insights. Today, we're diving headfirst into a universe of groundbreaking updates that are set to redefine your digital world. We're talking about a potential seismic shift in how one of the most iconic voice assistants operates, with whispers of a major collaboration that could supercharge its capabilities. But that's just the beginning of our deep dive. We're also uncovering a massive initiative aimed at empowering the next generation of innovators. Imagine giving millions of students access to cutting-edge AI tools completely free of charge. This is a game changer for education and a massive step towards democratizing advanced technology. Then, we're shifting gears to explore how your everyday devices are evolving. Get ready to hear about a strategic pivot from a tech behemoth, where every new gadget, from the latest smartphones to smartwatches, is being positioned as a gateway to a new era of AI-powered experiences, all centered around a powerful new model. And we're not stopping there. We'll also be dissecting a crucial comparison that could influence your next big project, whether you're building worlds or crafting experiences. Stick around as we break down the essential differences. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Apple's AI Overture, Gemini powering Siri. Is the iconic voice assistant about to get a major intelligence boost? Reports suggest Apple is in talks with Google to integrate Gemini AI into Siri, a move that could revolutionize user interaction on iPhones and beyond. In a significant development that highlights the accelerating pace of artificial intelligence integration across major tech players, Apple is reportedly exploring a partnership with Google to leverage its powerful Gemini AI model for its voice assistant, Siri. This potential collaboration, as detailed by Bloomberg, could mark a pivotal moment for Apple's ecosystem, aiming to bridge the gap in AI capabilities that has seen Siri criticized for lagging behind competitors like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's own Gemini. The move signifies Apple's strategic effort to enhance Siri's responsiveness and introduce a more advanced, multimodal search experience, capable of processing and integrating information from text, images, and local points of interest. This overhaul is particularly crucial as Apple seeks to maintain its competitive edge in a market increasingly defined by sophisticated AI-driven interactions. The potential integration of Gemini into Siri is seen as a calculated move by Apple to rapidly enhance its AI offerings without the extensive in-house research and development that would typically be required. This partnership, if finalized, would see Google's cutting-edge AI technology potentially embedded within key Apple software, including the Safari browser and the Spotlight search function. The objective is to provide users with more immediate and comprehensive answers, potentially bypassing traditional web searches for many queries. Apple's envisioned World Knowledge Answers feature aims to deliver a dynamic interface that seamlessly combines text, photos, and videos, offering personalized summaries and a more intuitive user experience. This strategic alliance not only benefits Apple by providing access to advanced AI, but also offers Google a significant expansion of Gemini's reach to the vast Apple user base. The market has reacted swiftly to the news, with Alphabet's shares reportedly climbing by 3.7% and Apple's stock seeing a 1.6% increase, according to Hindustan Times. Industry analysts view this as a shrewd maneuver for Apple, granting it access to state-of-the-art AI technology, while simultaneously bolstering Google's position by extending the influence of its Gemini model. Although spokespersons for both Apple and Google have declined to comment on the specifics of any agreement, this reported collaboration underscores the intense competition and strategic maneuvering within the AI domain. The implications of this partnership could be far-reaching, potentially reshaping how millions of iPhone users interact with AI-powered search and services, and setting a new precedent for intercompany AI collaborations. Will this partnership redefine the future of voice assistants? Get ready, because next, we're diving into how education is getting a massive AI upgrade, completely free for students. AI for Academia, free pro access for UK students. millions of UK university students are set to receive a 12-month free subscription to advanced AI tools, marking a significant push to democratize powerful technology in education. In a landmark initiative aimed at empowering the next generation of learners, millions of university students across the United Kingdom are being granted complimentary access to advanced AI capabilities. Starting September 4th, students aged 18 and above in the UK can sign up for a 12-month ChatGPT Insights AI Pro plan at no cost, with a subscription required thereafter. This program underscores a core mission to bring cutting-edge technology to students, building on previous efforts like providing Chromebooks for classrooms and developing specialized learning models like LearnLM, which has contributed to Gemini's status as a leading model for learning. The initiative is poised to expand globally, signaling a broader commitment to educational equity in the age of AI. The free AI Pro plan offers students access to powerful tools designed to enhance learning and research. This includes advanced features within Gemini, such as a new guided learning mode, which provides step-by-step support and interactive questioning to deepen understanding, rather than simply providing answers. Developed in collaboration with students, educators, and learning experts, guided learning is grounded in learning science principles to foster critical thinking and effective study habits. Students can utilize Gemini 2.5 Pro for complex problem-solving, structuring arguments, essay preparation, and test review. The platform is also rolling out multimodal responses, incorporating images, videos, and interactive quizzes to cater to diverse learning styles and reinforce comprehension. Furthermore, tools are being developed to facilitate easier sharing by educators, ensuring seamless integration into academic curricula. This program represents a significant investment in making AI accessible, aiming to equip students with the skills needed to navigate and shape the evolving AI landscape. By providing these advanced tools, the initiative seeks to ensure that the benefits of AI are widely distributed, fostering innovation and critical engagement with the technology. The expectation is that students, equipped with these resources, will become key players in the AI platform shift, driving progress and ensuring that AI development serves the broader public good. The company expressed excitement about the potential contributions of this next generation of thinkers and builders, anticipating innovative applications of AI across various fields. This is huge for students, but what about your devices? Get ready for a major AI pivot from Google, with all their new hardware centered around Gemini. Google's AI ecosystem, made by Google, pivots to Gemini. Google's latest hardware event signals a strategic shift, positioning Pixel devices and Android as central platforms for agent-driven AI experiences powered by Gemini models. Google's recent Made by Google event marked a significant departure from traditional product launches, reframing its hardware lineup, particularly the Pixel series and Android, as conduits for a new wave of agentic AI experiences. The focus was shifted from detailed technical specifications to a more consumer-friendly, conversational presentation style, featuring influencers and talk show hosts. This approach aimed to make the broad AI capabilities accessible to a wider audience, including power users and enterprise observers, while strategically targeting smartphone switchers, especially iPhone users, by highlighting AI-driven services and addressing migration concerns. At the heart of this strategy is the elevation of hardware as the primary delivery mechanism for Gemini-powered on-device AI. Google unveiled its latest suite of products, including the Pixel 10 smartphone trio, Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, the Pixel 10 Fold, the Pixel Watch 4, and the Pixel Buds 2a. Each of these devices was explicitly linked to Gemini's capabilities, emphasizing vertically integrated AI experiences. These experiences leverage on-device models to provide contextual, personalized assistance across communications, imaging, and device interactions. Hardware enhancements, such as the Tensor G5 chip and improved camera technology, were presented not merely as standalone features, but as enablers for superior on-device AI model execution. Google showcased several AI agents designed to streamline daily tasks, including Magic Q for cross-app information surfacing, Camera Coach for photography guidance, advanced voice translation that preserves unique voice characteristics, and natural language image editing in Google Photos. The emphasis on on-device processing aims to enhance responsiveness and user privacy, key selling points for attracting users from competing platforms. However, the integration of generative AI also raises significant privacy and authenticity questions. Google is employing diffusion-based generative models for image enhancement in its Pixel cameras and is using CDPA content credentials to flag AI-altered images. This blend of captured and generated content introduces potential regulatory and trust challenges related to provenance and disclosure, which Google must manage carefully. By positioning many AI agents to run locally and implementing explicit authorization flows, Google is mirroring privacy-focused strategies from competitors and acknowledging consumer expectations regarding data handling. Commercially, Google is adopting a bundled approach, offering AI experiences with devices and subscriptions to accelerate adoption. Select Pixel devices include a complimentary year of Google's AI Pro service. Pixel Buds Pro 2 feature Gemini Live, and carriers are offering bundled access to Google One AI Premium. This strategy has shown momentum, with Google One's AI-inclusive subscription base growing 50% year-over-year to 150 million users by May 2025. The Pixel hardware itself remains a strong platform, with the Tensor G5 NPU, enhanced camera systems, and a 7-year software commitment bolstering its credibility. The Pixel Watch 4 introduces a notable feature: standalone satellite messaging for emergency situations without needing a phone connection. This pivot signifies Google's intent to lead with AI experiences, integrating models, on-device processing, and subscription services to scale Gemini across its product ecosystem. The success of this strategy will hinge on Google's ability to effectively manage privacy concerns, ensure content authenticity, and build user trust as generative AI becomes increasingly central to the user experience. We've seen big AI plays from Apple and Google, but what about the tools you use for creation? Next, we'll compare two major game engines that could define your next project. Unreal Engine versus Unity, choosing your next development powerhouse. A crucial comparison for developers, dissecting the strengths and weaknesses of Unreal Engine and Unity to guide your project's success. The landscape of game development and real-time 3D creation is dominated by two powerful engines, Unreal Engine and Unity. Both offer robust toolsets and extensive capabilities, but they cater to different needs, workflows, and project scales. Understanding their core differences is paramount for developers aiming to select the right engine for their next ambitious undertaking. Unreal Engine, developed by Epic Games, is renowned for its cutting-edge graphics capabilities and suitability for high-fidelity, AAA game development. It utilizes C++ as its primary programming language, offering deep control and performance optimization, particularly for visually stunning projects. Its Blueprint visual scripting system provides an accessible entry point for designers and artists, allowing them to create complex logic without extensive coding. Unreal Engine excels in delivering photorealistic environments, advanced lighting techniques, like Lumen, and sophisticated particle systems, Niagara. For developers prioritizing graphical fidelity and immersive experiences, especially in genres like first-person shooters, open-world games, and cinematic productions, Unreal Engine often takes the lead. Its licensing model is royalty-based, typically taking a percentage of revenue after a certain threshold is met, making it attractive for projects with high commercial potential. Unity, on the other hand, is celebrated for its versatility, ease of use, and extensive asset store. It primarily uses C# for scripting, a language known for its readability and efficiency, making it a popular choice for a wide range of developers, from indie studios to larger teams. Unity's strength lies in its adaptability across platforms, supporting mobile, PC, console, VR, and AR development with relative ease. Its component-based architecture allows for flexible project structuring and rapid prototyping. While Unity has significantly advanced its graphical capabilities with features like high-definition render pipeline, HDRP, and Universal Render Pipeline. URP. It is often perceived as more accessible for mobile and indie game development, as well as non-gaming applications like architectural visualization and simulation. Unity's licensing model is subscription-based, with various tiers available depending on revenue and team size, offering a predictable cost structure. When choosing between the two, consider your project's specific requirements. If your goal is to push the boundaries of visual fidelity and create graphically intensive experiences akin to blockbuster titles, Unreal Engine's advanced rendering features and performance optimizations might be the better fit. Its C++ foundation offers unparalleled control for experienced programmers seeking maximum performance. Conversely, if you need a versatile engine that supports rapid development across multiple platforms, including mobile, and offers a more streamlined workflow for a broader range of project types, Unity's C# scripting and extensive asset ecosystem could be more advantageous. The learning curve also plays a role. While both engines have learning resources, Unity is often considered more beginner-friendly due to its C# scripting and widely available tutorials. Ultimately, both Unreal Engine and Unity are powerful tools capable of producing exceptional results. The decision should be based on a careful evaluation of your team's expertise, project scope, target platforms, and desired graphical output. Each engine has a thriving community and a wealth of resources to support developers in bringing their visions to life. That wraps up our deep dives into the latest tech news. Now, let's hit you with a quick recap of all the major stories we covered today. And that's a wrap on today's essential tech updates. We saw Apple potentially teaming up with Google's Gemini for a Siri upgrade, a massive free AI initiative launching for UK university students, Google redefining its hardware with Gemini at the core, and we broke down the key differences between Unreal Engine and Unity for your next project. Don't miss out on any future breakthroughs. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, drop a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels for even more insights. Stay curious, stay informed.